What's up guys, and welcome to part 4 of my CTC modeling tutorial. Today I'm going to go over the mirror and array modifiers, both of which are very important for objects which repeat themselves. In the case of the mirror modifier, for objects that are symmetrical on both sides, like a computer screen or a printer or something, it would be great to use that kind of thing to make it like one half of an object, so you don't have to model the other half. It really speeds things up a bit. And for the array modifier, it's great for stuff like that repeat themselves over and over again, like tank tracks or the Parthenon, like a Greek Parthenon. And it really saves a lot of time. So let's get right into it. The modifiers tab is right here where the wrench is, and you just go right down here to add modifier. There's a whole bunch of stuff. If you want to, you can experiment with this stuff. Everything has a good use for it. It's all really cool stuff. But what I'm going to be going in today is the mirror and array modifiers. So let's just start off with the mirror modifier. Now you see this menu opens up. It says mirror on the X, Y, or Z axis. So you can choose the axis that you want. So as you can see, it does this kind of weird thing where you have two of one object. So if you wanted to make like I don't know, like a weird box thing that has some details on the side. See here it says the merge limit here, so it'll merge together. So if you want to make some sort of weird box thing with a lot of detail, you only have to put that detail onto one side, and then on the other side it'll have the same detail. To avoid wasting time. So if you want to do something that's symmetrical, like I said, like a computer screen, you can just do that, and you can choose your axis. So if you want to mirror it like that, you have to go into edit mode to move it apart. Stay in object mode, it'll stay like this. But you can choose your axis, and once you choose your axis, you can mirror it the way you want to mirror it, and that'll just basically make two of it side by side. And that, so if you want to make a symmetrical object, that's really useful. But anyways, I'm going to stop rambling on, get onto the array modifier. It's very similar. So let's just get rid of this modifier. It can be used in the same way. Say I want to make like a rail for a gun or something. You know how they have those rails that hold on attachments and whatnot. So I'm going to click on the array modifier, and similarly, it mirrors. So it's just I can choose how many I want to add. So it'll just create like a constant increase. So if I really want to make something repeat itself like that, and notice that it is in that axis, which is kind of weird, which is not like a gun rail at all. So you can switch the axis or choose how far apart you want the two objects to be, and then just repeat that. So yeah, those are modifiers. If you didn't get that, leave a comment in the section below. Alright, that's it for this episode. See you later, guys.